I'm Madush from Wohn. We are 3D printing houses out of waste wood and recycled plastic. We combine these two materials into a compound that we directly use for 3D printing of load-bearing structures, which are modular. So we produce whole modules in our factory, which are then delivered to customers. We don't use any permanent foundation, so these houses only stand on ground blocks. At the end of the lifetime, you can easily remove the house and remove the screws. We take the house back to our factory, it is regrinded and reused. So it is a fully circular system. And in the process, we decreased the CO2 production by 90%. What we like about being members of Clean, that we have access to a large circle of like-minded people. We are able to find partners to solve all the problems we have, like on the side of sourcing, production, manufacturing, design.